Guys, today I am about to style my hair for you guys. I just got out of the shower. I just washed my hair. That's why I got this. Y'all, this is a t-shirt because I just don't be having towels. Like, I have a microfiber towel. I think I have two, but that's not enough. So when I don't have my towels washed, I just use a t-shirt. And yes, I'm still breathing hard because I am in my third trimester, you guys. I am 32 weeks pregnant. Tomorrow I'll be 33 weeks pregnant. So crazy. So if you guys want a little bump update, this is how big I am. I know the lighting is crazy. It's all over the place, but we're gonna get through it. I'm on a different camera. Today I'm using the camera that I bought for vlogging, but I don't be vlogging. So I'm like, I'm just gonna get other uses out of this camera. So yeah, let me take this t-shirt off my head so y'all can see what I'm working with. No, I'm just kidding. Ooh, okay. So yeah, I'm about to style my hair. It's freshly washed. Ooh, I love freshly washed hair. Y'all, I'm tired of doing my hair. I be wanting to perm so bad, but like, I know that's like not the right thing to do. I have had, let's see. I'm just gonna do like a little part with my nails like I usually do because I don't really care about the part like that. It doesn't have to be straight for me, but whatever. So, and yeah, what was I even talking about? I feel like I have pregnancy brain like real bad, real bad. So yeah, let me just wet down my hair again. Move my mirror down so I can see what I'm doing. I got a mirror right here. That's not a good view. Alright, so I'm just wetting my hair down, y'all. Oh, this is what I was gonna tell y'all. I've been getting my hair straight like a lot lately. I got my hair straightened in December for my gender reveal, and then I also got my hair straightened for my baby shower. So I'm like, ooh, I need to like leave my hair alone for a little bit, which I will. I am gonna get braids though, hopefully, or some kind of twist for when I give birth in April. That is like literally tomorrow. Okay, it's not tomorrow, but I'm so excited. I'm excited but nervous. Whew. I'm out of breath, child, but yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do is add some leave-in conditioner. This is what I always do, and this is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. It's the TGIN Miracle Repair X Protective Leave-In Conditioner. I like this one a lot. I feel like it really moisturizes my hair. Yeah, that window in the back be messing the lighting up in here, but like I said, we're gonna work with it. I'm gonna try to not move so much and not stand in front of it. Well, and stand in front of it, but yeah. So I'm just massaging this into my hair. I am gonna brush it a little bit, not too much. And yes, I said brush. My comb is in the shower still, and I'm too lazy to get it, so I'm gonna use one of these detangling brushes. Speaking of brushes, I really want to try that. It's old now, but there was like an unbrush or something like that. It was trending on TikTok, so I feel like I still want to get one, even though I don't know if it'll work or not on my hair texture, but I seen it work on a lot of people's hair, y'all. I just can't be talking like that. I really should have done a voiceover, but it's just been a long time since I've chit-chatted with you guys, so I'm like, I'm not finna freaking do no voiceover. Hello. Hello. So yeah, let me just work with me, y'all. Work with me. So yeah, y'all see I'm just brushing. This is just a regular, what's this called? I forgot what these brushes are called, but it's just like one of those regular detangling brushes, and it's gliding through my hair pretty well. That means that I washed my hair well, like I detangled it in the shower pretty well. Just putting a little more conditioner in there because like I said, I've been having a lot of heat to my hair, and I want to try to bring back some of that moisture This is not the first time I washed my hair since my baby shower. Y'all, my baby shower was so cute. It was themed as a Sweethearts on the Way because it was in February. So we did like a little play on, you know, Valentine's Day. It was so cute. But I also got my nails. They are removed. They're so not cute. But I wanted to have really short nails for when baby gets here. And I keep saying baby because I'm like, I really haven't announced her name. Only like people that I talk to, like if people ask me like, what's her name? Then I tell people, but like other than that, no, I don't just say her name all over the place. And I don't even know why I'm like that. I just don't. So yeah, I feel like friends and family know. People at work know because they be asking, did you have a name yet? The doctor's office knows, obviously, because they'll be like, did you pick a name? You pick a name? I did. And also, I feel like people are really judgmental when it comes to names. It's kind of crazy because it's like, this your baby? You carrying this baby? No, okay. Yo, I'm trying to start styling before I even added my little hair serum in. So let me add a little bit of serum in first. This is new. I remember I talked about this in my Sephora haul. So let me just show you guys what the serum is. Okay, you guys, so this is the Moroccan Oil Mending Infusion Repair Serum. It's supposed to help with split ends. So I'm gonna give this a go. Let's see if I can get it open. It is a serum, but it looks like this. So I'm just gonna really, ooh, it smells good. I like the Moroccan oil products. They don't all work for me, but I like that little oil, and this smells really good too. So I'm just gonna focus this on my ends. Add a little more. But yeah, these products are really expensive, so I don't buy them all the time. Because a lot of times you can find stuff that's cheaper. The only thing that I haven't really been able to replace is my Olaplex. That right there. Yeah, I don't think that's going anywhere. So if you guys have found a replacement for Olaplex, then definitely leave a comment below because I love that stuff. But I tried the Diva Curl Bond and it's okay, but it's just not Olaplex. Alright, so like I said, I'm trying to really, that product is out of the way. So for my styling products, I'm going to be using these minis. These are just something that I wanted to try. These are in my Sephora haul as well. So I got the, first of all, I don't know how to pronounce the name, but that's okay. I'm going to spell it for you guys. It's A-D-W-O-A Beauty. And I picked up the Curl Defining Cream and the Curl Defining Gel. So off camera, I went ahead and just kind of separated my hair into sections because that's how I like to work. So I'm just going to wet down my hair again, just a little bit more. It's getting dry like really easily. So wetting that down. And the first thing I'm gonna do is go in with the Curl Defining Cream. So it doesn't really smell like anything. It has a very light scent and it's thick. You guys see that? It's really thick. So I'm just going to apply this to the hair. And you guys, I never used these products before, so I'm gonna be honest, I really don't know what to expect. But I got my mousse that's back up here. If I don't like the way the curls is defining, then I'm just gonna put mousse on at the end, like I always do. And I might just put mousse on anyways, because I feel like mousse locks in the curls. So, all right. So let me brush this Curl Defining Cream through. I don't know, I don't really feel like it defined anything, but again, my hair is probably damaged from so much heat, so whatever, that's probably my fault. Let's go ahead and get the rest of that through there. And so now I'm just gonna take a smaller section and go in with some gel. So I'm gonna just pin this up. Oh, and the gel is like, ew, it feels weird. It's actually really jelly, like. And it smells like the curl defining cream, but a little bit stronger. I don't know, is this like, it's not a custard, but it's like a thick gel, but I don't know how to explain it. It definitely feels interesting. Let me see. Yeah, I'm definitely going to lock in some mousse after this, because I want to have more definition than what it's giving me. Alright, let's do this one. Yeah, I feel like my hair is so dry. I'm not sure why. Well, this has a lot to do with the damage to the hair, but still. And then we'll do the last section of the first section. And now I'm gonna go in with the Camille Rose, what am I even saying? The Camille Rose by Honey Mousse, all of this stuff, so. And now I'm just going to repeat on this section as well. So I'm dipping in with the curl defining cream and just putting this all throughout the hair. And again, if you're wondering why I'm constantly looking to this side right here, is because that's where my mirror is, and I have to, like, I cannot do my hair without a mirror. I don't know how people do that, but yeah. So this is like my easier side to brush through. All right, now that that's in the hair, I'm going to section. Dang, this might only be 2 sections, because I don't know why this side is like easy to get through. But this is now the curl defining gel. Okay, and then I'll split this one into 3 too though. And then we'll do the last little piece. And now I'm gonna go in with my mousse, 2 pumps, and lock in some moisture. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the tops of my hair, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I finished styling my hair, and as you can probably see, there are some white clumps in my hair, which is so annoying. I hate when this happens. That means the products did not mesh well together. Probably my leave-in didn't go with the rest of the styling products, because I always use the leave-in and the mousse together, so I know those work together. I should have did the little test on the hand first, but I don't know, I just didn't think about it. I haven't had this happen to me in a long time. So I'm just gonna put my hair in a bun, because that never fails me. So I have my Eco with me, and I'm just gonna wet down my hair. But also it's like, I don't think I'm feeling a low bun today. So I'm just gonna go high, because I really am not feeling the low bun situation. So I need to push my hair back. Alright, so this is helping me push my hair back. I'm just gonna start brushing the hair. Oh, my arms are on fire. Oh my gosh, my arms hurt so bad. And then me personally, I'm not good at this, so I just kind of flip my hair over. And then we also want to put some Eco on the back. Let's see if we get a brush a little back here too. So now that I kind of got some control over my ponytail, I'm just gonna take my cheetah scrunchie and do like this. Am I gonna do a bun or am I gonna just let it hang? Let's see. I think we'll just let it hang. Yeah. Actually, we might need to do a bun because it looks crazy. I'm gonna take some bobby pins and just gonna put that into place. Look, y'all, I'm trying to tell you guys, if the hair doesn't work out, just bun it, period. Okay, and when we do edges, let's see, I don't really do edges like that, but let's see what we can do. I'm gonna take some of my Eco on my edge brush and then get some off, put it on my finger, swipe them down a little bit, and just do like a little edge. Like, I don't do really extra edges because I don't know how to do those. So then after I do my Eco, I usually go in with this edge control. It's the Edge Fixer Glued Maximum Hold, and I have the scent Red Apple. I like this one. So I just put that on top. Then dip my brush a little bit. I'm using the same brush. I used to use 2 different brushes, but I got lazy. So this should be fine though. And I'm just, like I said, I'm just going to a few stores. I'm not like going out to dinner or anything. Okay guys, so this is my final look. It's just a top knot bun. This was not the point of the video. I was supposed to do like a style my damaged hair with me, but then when the products didn't mix right, I was just like, I cannot go out like that. So yeah, I ended up changing at the last minute, but it is what it is. I think the hair is still really cute. It's just a little simple bun. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed the video, then make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.